Ansharya, are you also in French? Ansharya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me just write your name. Ansharya is there in French. Then Malik Warsi is also in French, without any doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, perfect. Malik Warsi. Simran Kumari is also in French. Yes, Simran. Show me your thumbs up. Yes, come up with energy, students. With full energy. Early morning, where is your energy, huh? You want to sleep back? Asfan Wasim, French. Okay. Then we have, who else is there? Hiti Verma. Hiti Verma has left. I think she's from Sanskrit. Does anyone know about Hiti Verma? Which subject has she opted? Okay, then we have Soham Agarwal. Soham Agarwal has also left. I think he is also from Sanskrit. And Narayani Tiwari. Okay, who is this Shivam? Shivam, can I show? Can I see your face? Can you please show me your face? Shivam Singh, French. Shivam Singh. Then I have, okay, this is Pratishtha, very nice. Okay. So children, why did you opt French? Why not Sanskrit? What reason? Give me one reason. Every student, each student has to give one reason why he or she opted French. Tell me. Let's begin from you, Asfan Wasim. No, Asfa Wasim.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. What is your reason of choosing French?
Ma'am, I chose French over Sanskrit because I think Sanskrit is way more harder than French.
I think
believe in
Sanskrit
that.
is
More harder than French.
okay. It is more difficult as compared to French. All right. So you
Yes,
wanted to
sir.
choose something easy. Very nice. Ansharya, what is your reason?
Ma'am, I the reason because ma'am, I wanna go Paris and I want to live there and I want to explore French countries.
Very
And
nice.
my father also said that choose French. So ma'am, as per father's and my exploring choice, I choose French.
Very good. Very nice. Shaurya Solanki, what is your reason?
Ma'am, Sanskrit is so difficult.
Okay. Again, the same reason like Asfa. Pratishtha, what is your reason, beta?
I have chosen French because I want to learn a new language, and Sanskrit is an Hindi language as well as we know. So that's why I choose
Very
French.
good. So you wanted to learn something altogether which is new. Wonderful. Manraj
Yes.
Singh, what is your reason?
It is difficult. And ma'am, I have seen my friend reading. Ma'am, my friends have taken French.
Your friends have taken French, so you wanted to take French. Is this what he said? I could not hear him. What did he say? Could anybody hear him? Okay. Anybody else wants to? Yes. Anybody else wants to share his or her reason of choosing French? Shivam, Soham, Asit. So many students are left. Simran. So you had different reasons to choose French. Somebody wanted to learn something easy as they thought that Sanskrit is a bit more difficult as compared to French. Yes, I do agree on this. Then secondly, you had good reasons of learning something new in life, and somebody wanted to explore this world. So he thought that French language would help him a lot. And yes, that's a very good reason, beta, to choose French. Now, anyone knows anything about French? Have you ever come across any French word or any French term before? Does anyone know anything? No, yes or no? Simple. Hurry up. Don't waste time.
No.
Farsi. Yes.
Ma'am,
What do
I
you
know one word.
tell?
Ma'am, no.
No.
Ma'am, my one friend told
Yes.
Ma'am, mercy. Ma'am, mercy.
Mercy. Wonderful. What is mercy?
Ma'am, it means thank you.
Wonderful. Yes. So we have small
And
words. Bonjour. Wonderful. What is bonjour? What is bonjour, Soham? Anybody knows what is bonjour? Bonjour means
hello.
yes. It is when we meet somebody like we say good morning in English. So in French we say bonjour. Any other word anyone knows? Okay, so today we are going to learn a few greetings only. How are we going to learn? I'm going to type a few words in the chat box. I'm sure all of you don't have your books right now. Okay, today many of you are without your books.
Yes.
What we are going to do is we are going to make one copy of French. Just one copy. Okay? Wherein you are going to pen down everything that I speak in class. There are many rules, there are many things that we have to write, we have to pen down while we learn any new language. It is not only with French, but any other language that we learn, it works according to a particular pattern. Is that clear?
Yes,
ma'am. Today in this class, we are just going to write down a few general terms. Like, let's begin with good morning. What is good morning? Good morning is bonjour. Bonjour. Then we have good evening. What is good evening?
We have to write and copy.
Yes, you have to write it down and copy beta. Bonsoir. What is good evening? Yes, beta, normal copy. Have you purchased your copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so make just one copy so that when you come to school, everybody's copy is of same size. I don't want any one of you to make registers. Right now, if you don't have a copy, just write it down in your register, in your rough copy, wherever. But your fair copies will be of the same size, like what you get in the book set. Okay, then next we have, what is good morning? All of you just speak out. What is good morning in French?
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Simran, what is good morning in French?
Ma'am, could you repeat the first word?
Simran, can I hear? Simran, can I hear from you? What is good morning? Okay, anybody else wants to say? It's bonjour. Okay, Pratishtha.
Bonjour.
Very, very nice, very nice. One thing that we learn from this word is that we do not pronounce J as J sound. We are not calling it bonjour. Okay? What are we calling it? Bonjour. Bonjour. Jour. Like we say in Hindi, ya say yagye, right? So it is somewhat similar to it. Bonjour. And in the end, we are not giving r sound. We are not saying bonjour. Are we saying bonjour? No. We are saying bonjour. Bonjour. A little H sound in the end. Bonjour. So when you wish like this. Bonjour. Fine? Then next. What is good evening? It is bonsoir. What is good evening?
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Again, we are not saying bonsoir. Are we saying bonsoir? No. We are not giving bonsoir. Okay, like we have H in the end. So children, what you can do is you can also write down the pronunciation in bracket. If you want to write it in Hindi, it's fine. If you want to write it in English, it's fine. Like how we say bonsoir or bonjour. Then what is good night? What is good night in French? It's bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
Nuit.
Bonne nuit. Bonjour, bonsoir.
Ma'am,
Yes?
is T silent?
Yes, very good. Very good observation, beta. T is silent. Now, with this, we learn one more thing. What is that one more thing? You have to write down. Okay? This is one rule of French. Write down rule number 1. What is that rule? That consonants that come in the end are not pronounced. T is what? T is a consonant, right? So when it lies in the end, we do not pronounce it. That is why we say bonne nuit. Okay, one more thing, children. In all these 3 words, good morning, good evening, good night. For good, we have used bon. But why in good night we have used bon, B-O-N-N-E? Did anyone notice this thing?
Because
Yes, because?
I think that because it's right, so we added N in it.
No, but why only for night we added N-E in the end? We could have added it for day also. What is the reason? Okay, now write down. Jour means, what is jour? Jour means day. Right? And what is jour? Jour is masculine in gender. Jour is masculine gender. Then we have soir. Soir is again masculine gender. Soir means evening. Can you hear me? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then
Yes,
we have nuit. Nuit is what? Nuit is feminine. And nuit means night. So before masculine things, we use bon, B-O-N. And before feminine things, we use B-O-N-N-E. Malik Warsi, beta, why are you not writing anything? How are you going to do it?
My observing.
Okay, that's very nice. You're a very good observer. But along with it, better write down also whatever is in the chat box. Otherwise, after this class, you're going to miss all these rules.
Can you please tell what is the heading?
What is the heading? Okay. Now let's come to the heading first. What are we doing in English? If I ask you, what is this going on? What are we learning?
Ma'am, French class.
That's there. You are learning French subject. But when we are talking about good morning, good evening, good night, what are all these things? Yes?
Greetings.
Wonderful.
French greetings.
Very nice. We are
greeting words.
Yes, we are learning greetings. The way we greet in different parts of it, in different timings. So what are greetings called in French? I have just written in the chat box. Les salutations. In English, if we speak it out, what will we speak? Salutations. Right? All of you can see in the chat box. We will call it salutations. Yes, but in French, we call it les salutations. Again, like what Malik said, that T is silent. So here also in the first word, les is silent. Sorry, in the word les, S is silent. We are not calling it les. Are we calling it les? No. We call it les. Les salutations. Again, the S in the end is kept silent. Les salutations.
Les salutations.
What are salutations? They are greetings. So how many greetings have we learned today? We have learned 3 greetings.
3.
Can all of you speak out these greetings? How do we speak them out? How do we pronounce them?
Bonjour.
No, bonjour.
Bonjour.
It's bonjour. Don't give
Bonjour.
j sound. Bonjour.
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 Bonsoir. Beta, O-I. It's not bonsoir, it's bonsoir. O-I sound is ua sound. Ua. Bonsoir. And what is good night?
Bonne nuit.
Huh?
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit. Wonderful. Wonderful. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit. Okay? And what are greetings called?
Les salutations.
No, not even a single correct pronunciation.
Les
salutations.
Very nice. Very
Les
close.
salutations.
Very close. Now write it down in Hindi. How we pronounce it? We pronounce it as les salutations. Salutations. See, I have written in the chat box how you pronounce it. Les salutations. Les salutations. Can you see it, children?
Les salutations.
No, don't say it on. Just say on. Like on. Again, speak it out.
Les salutations.
Wonderful, wonderful. So I think that's all for today. Now it's time for your next class. You have got the link for your next class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
All right. Bye, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.